cabbage is broccoli, eggplant, pepper, strawberry, muskmelon, pear, orange, red apples, milk, cream cheese, energizers, and sodas, and fish, prawns, beef, charcoal, bill. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dina, and on my YouTube channel I am going to teach you to speak in English. So here I am going to share with you 4,000 basic and essential phrases. With the help of them you will start to speaking. You will start to speaking without hesitation, and you will start speaking natural English. Stay with me and I will teach you a lot of tips related to English. So now I'm going to cook and I have to look to my fridge. So do I have enough products or not? Oops, I have no food. So it's time to go to grocery store. So guys, especially for my subscribers, I have the price which I have bought from the place where I have traveled before, this beautiful decorated plate. And now I'm going to share this plate with one of my subscribers who is going to write the best comment below my video. Hi guys, so we decided with our friends to go to picnic. So now we are going to grocery store to buy appropriate products. So guys, we came to Globus supermarket and now we are going to get our products. So guys, we came to our supermarket, and before you're going to supermarket you have to have shopping list where we can write your fruits or vegetables. And another thing, so which you are going to pay attention, so you have to choose your shopping cart. So shopping cart is a big cart. So if you have long short of list, you take shopping cart. And this is our basket. So basket usually we take if you have short shopping list. And even we have shopping cart, like small shopping cart for your kids, so they can easily take anything they want. So at the supermarket we have different sections, or also we can call them aisles. So different aisles. So actually now we are going to start our shopping from fruit and vegetable section. Let's go. As we talked before, we decided with our friends to go to picnic, and some of our friends, they are vegetarian, so that's why we are going to pick up more veggies. So for instance, we are going to take some cabbage. So this is like the cabbage. So most of you know about this veggie. So we can do like different salads, or even we can cook some food from the cabbage. So cabbage. So our next vegetable is broccoli. So broccoli in today considered very healthy vegetables for today's. So on our picnic we are planning to have barbecue, so that's why I'm going to choose like eggplant, very delicious thing when you cook it on the barbecue. Another thing is pepper. Like I have red pepper and yellow pepper. It's also very tasty when you cook it on barbecue. So it's time to go for fruits. So these are strawberries. Strawberries. Strawberries naturally has red color and conus form. So very tasty strawberry. So next fruit is muskmelon. Muskmelon, it can be like yellow color, so it has like oval shape. The next fruit is pear. We have pear. So pear, pear. And also I'm going to buy some orange. So orange. So you see, this is very cute, like orange. It has like circle shape and very bright color. So bright color is like orange color. The next fruit which we are going to buy, these are apples. So actually we are going to buy red apples, like big form. So guys, today we came to supermarket. We are going to learn different sections, aisles related to different products and ingredients. So now we are going to buy dairy products. Dairy products includes like cheese, cream cheese, eggs, so different things. So now we are going to dairy aisle. So this section calls dairy products. So this is pre-packed milk. Milk. So we can also say box of milk or pre-packed milk. Box of milk. Box of milk. So as you see, this is box of milk. At the bottom we have yogurts. So different yogurts. As we are going with our kids, we need to have some yogurt for kids and also cheese. So this is ordinary cream cheese. So we like doing some sandwiches, so we are choosing cheese, like cream cheese. So this is section with beverages, soft drinks, sodas. So actually beverages consider different types of drinks. Let it be bottled. So this kind of section, also everything calls beverages. And even sodas, different types of sodas. So this section coming up with energizers, like different things like adrenaline and this kind of things. And now we are going to take some frozen food. We are looking for section with frozen foods. by the way, we have forget to take beverages, like different soft drinks. So this is actually called can, like different sodas and beverages. Finally, I found section with frozen foods. So now I need to buy ordinary salmon frozen fish. Salmon frozen fish. And also we need to buy prawns. Prawns. These are actually seafood. Seafood. Prawns. And now it's time to different section. So now we came to buy some meat. So as you see, we have different type of meat. So we have like full steak meat, and also we have different types of like beef, or also we have like minced beef, which is very like convenient for cooking. But now we are going to take only the steak one. The last thing, but the main thing which we are going to buy, this is charcoal. Charcoal for burning our barbecue. So we have finished our list, and now, so as you see, our shopping cart is full of like groceries. And now we are going to section for cashier for paying. So this is actually my bill. So it calls bill the long list of my grocery bill. So I paid by cash money.